If you want to create a dynamic wallpaper like you see in Fedora 42, you can easily do that just by writing a simple XML file. In today's video, I'm going to exactly show you how to do that. First, you make an XML file. The file can be located anywhere on your system. Then, you will need to copy and paste this code. I'll provide the link to the code from this file below the video. In this code, you just need to change the paths in the from and to sections to your desired wallpaper. The comments in the code are self-explanatory. Replace the night wallpaper path with your desired night wallpaper, and the day wallpaper path with your desired day wallpaper. You can also adjust the display duration for each wallpaper and the transition time. After you save the file, you need to go to the appearance section in GNOME tweak and set both the default image and the dark style image to the XML file you have saved. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your dynamic wallpaper throughout your day. If you want to download some nice day and night wallpapers, you can head to the KDE's GitHub page or the Fedora's wallpaper page. I'll provide link to these pages in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.